Hello and welcome to this video on how to use technology to revolutionize the accounting processes in your business. With technology advancing at a rapid pace, businesses now have the opportunity to revolutionize their accounting processes. In fact, the accounting sector has grown significantly when it comes to automation. No longer do businesses need to rely on manual data entries and ledgers. So let's take a look at some of the ways that technology is changing accounting in businesses. First off, there's accounting software like QuickBooks and NetSuite to help simplify and automate accounting tasks. They can automate invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting. Plus, being cloud-based allows teams to access their financial data from anywhere in the world. This allows teams to collaborate remotely. Another game-changing technology is generative AI tools, such as Chat GPT. At Fusion CPA, our experts are experimenting with and embracing the power of AI tools' capabilities in many ways. For example, generative AI tools can be used to interpret data as a first draft of basic data analysis for businesses that don't have the necessary time or skills to perform such tasks. Technological advancements have also made it easier to analyze large volumes of financial data. For example, Microsoft BI is a software designed to simplify business forecasting. With forecasting software, your business can make informed decisions to encourage growth. So, if you're looking to streamline your accounting processes and make them more efficient, it's important to ensure that the software setup and integration are done correctly. And if you're not sure how to implement accounting tools to streamline operations, our experts at Fusion CPA can help. So schedule a discovery call with us to learn more about how you can use technology to your advantage.